a couple days ago, this kid named Alex, his mom asked us if we could like drive by and like meet up with a couple of our cool cars. And so we did it and we posted on social media and it was actually really good and cool. So this mom saw it and asked us if we could do one for her 9-year-old son named Joshua. So we're gonna meet up with a few cars and just drive by. It's gonna be really cool.
Come on, come on. No way. I told you. No way. Yeah. Happy birthday to Joshua. Hurry. I told you it was a cool surprise. Look, look, look. Dude, this is all for you. Look.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Which one's Joshua? Raise your hand.
Right here. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. What do you say? Thank you so much.
Yeah, so that was really cool. We only had like a few hours notice and like I saw that like the look on his face. He looked super surprised like when we like pulled up. He had like a big parade of cars and it was just really fun. And I mean, it's kind of sad, like he can't really have like a big birthday party or anything. He can't really see his friends or like get like a lot of presents. To do this, it must have been really exciting for him. It was really nice that we did it, and like it made me feel good too, and cool that like we got to like surprise this kid on his birthday.